Welcome to Awaken Your Wanderlust. Today, we invite you to embark on a breathtaking journey to the heart of Italy, where the enchanting hills of Tuscany beckon. Known for its rich history and unparalleled beauty, Tuscany is a treasure trove of vineyards, charming villages, and stunning landscapes that will capture your heart. Imagine strolling through lush vineyards, tasting world-class wines, and soaking in the vibrant culture that surrounds you. From the iconic Chianti region to the picturesque towns that dot the landscape, every corner of Tuscany tells a story steeped in tradition and passion. So grab your glass and let's dive into the exquisite world of Tuscany's wine country, where every sip transports you to a sun-soaked paradise. 1. A brief history of Tuscan wine. Tuscany's winemaking legacy dates back over 3,000 years, beginning with the ancient Etruscans, who first cultivated grapes in this fertile land. As the Romans expanded their empire, they recognized the quality of Tuscan wines, further elevating the region's reputation. Over the centuries, Tuscany has perfected its craft, becoming home to iconic wines like Chianti, Brunello di Montalcino, and Vino Nobile di Montepulciano. Each sip carries a story of the land and its people, a blend of tradition and innovation that keeps wine enthusiasts coming back. Today, Tuscany produces over 1 billion bottles of wine annually, celebrated worldwide for their distinctive flavors. 2. The iconic vineyards of Tuscany. Tuscany boasts a unique climate, with warm summers and mild winters, making it ideal for growing Sangiovese grapes, the foundation of many Tuscan wines. Whether you're visiting Chianti, Valdorcia, or Montepulciano, each vineyard offers its unique charm. Chianti is famous for its vibrant red wines, characterized by earthy, berry-forward notes. Brunello di Montalcino stands out with its bold, complex taste, often aged for years before release. Exploring these diverse vineyards is what makes a journey through Tuscany unforgettable. 3. Wine tasting experiences in Tuscany. One of the highlights of any Tuscan journey is a guided wine tasting. Many vineyards offer tours where passionate winemakers walk you through the tasting process, sharing their knowledge and love for wine. You'll learn to appreciate the nuances of each wine, from aroma to taste. Tastings usually start with lighter wines, such as Rosso di Montepulciano, moving toward fuller-bodied reds. To enhance your tasting experience, pair wines with local cheeses and cured meats. Each pairing amplifies the flavors, offering a deeper understanding of Tuscany's culinary heritage. 4th, charming countryside villages. No journey through Tuscany's wine country is complete without exploring its picturesque villages. Towns like Pienza, Montalcino, and Greva in Chianti offer a mix of history, charm, and culture that's uniquely Tuscan. Pienza, known for its pecorino cheese and stunning views, captures the essence of the Renaissance. Montalcino is famous for its Brunello wines and boasts charming streets filled with boutiques. Greva in Chianti features artisanal shops and vibrant local markets. Strolling through these towns, you'll discover the perfect spot to enjoy a scenic glass of wine. 5. How to enjoy an authentic vineyard tour. For an authentic experience, consider booking a vineyard tour, where you'll see the entire winemaking process, from grape harvest to fermentation. Many tours are led by families who have been winemakers for generations, sharing fascinating stories and tips. Some vineyards offer unique experiences, such as cooking classes or scenic picnics amidst the vines. Participating in grape harvesting during the harvest season connects you with the land and its traditions. 6. The magic of Tuscany's landscape. Tuscany's beauty lies in its landscapes. Rolling hills, tall cypress trees, and golden sunsets create a picturesque setting that feels like a place frozen in time. The countryside is dotted with charming villas and ancient castles, each with its rich history. Whether enjoying a leisurely walk through the vineyards or relaxing on a terrace with a glass of wine, Tuscany invites you to savor the moment. The breathtaking views and serene ambience make it the perfect escape. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable adventure through Tuscany's wine country here on Awaken Your Wanderlust. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the vineyards, savor the wines, and immerse yourself in the rich culture of this stunning region. Tuscany is more than just a destination. It's a sensory experience that leaves a lasting imprint on your soul. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel stories and tips. We'd love to hear from you. What part of Tuscany excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And until next time, keep dreaming, exploring, and awakening your wanderlust.